Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Charge the Dizio watch to at least 50% so firmware can update. Install the Dizio app on your phone and enable Bluetooth. Once done, press and hold the side button until the logo appears. This boots the device into pairing mode. Make sure to allow location permissions in the app because the phone needs them to scan Bluetooth devices. If you see a QR code on the watch screen, use the app scanner. Otherwise, select the watch name from the device list to begin pairing. You now complete pairing by following the app prompts. Tap the detected watch and confirm the numeric code that appears on both screens. This verifies you own the device. Next, grant notification and health permissions so calls, messages, and step data sync. Make sure Do Not Disturb rules are understood because muted notifications won't show. Once paired, trigger an initial sync to push time, alarms, and watch faces. Then check for firmware updates in the app and install them to ensure stability and new features. You finish by customizing the watch for daily use. Pick a face, arrange widgets, and set activity goals so the watch gives useful feedback. This makes tracking habitual and quick. Use the app to enable continuous heart rate and sleep monitoring if you want data between syncs. If something goes wrong, try this tip. Restart both phone and watch, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then repair. If that fails, perform a factory reset on the watch and pair again. This resolves most stubborn connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.